Today I'm sharing a holistic and natural approach to improve the hair texture, make it healthier and stronger. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets of gorgeous hair. I know how frustrating it can be when you see more hair on your hairbrush than on your head. And if you have been trying shampoos, oils, conditioners, salon treatments which are so expensive with absolutely no results, and especially when you're suffering from hair loss or hair thinning, it becomes even more difficult to follow a specific routine.
There are so many factors which cause hair fall, like pollution, the diet, nutrition deficiency, some underlying medical conditions. Stress plays a major role, as well as the way we style our hair.
Homemade packs are one of the most effective ways to make the hair improve the natural texture and to get long, gorgeous and thick hair.
Let us see how we can make this amazing pack at home. You will need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds that you have to soak in 1 cup of water the night before. The next morning it should look something like this, and then you have to grind it to a fine paste using the same water and get a nice smooth texture of this paste. This is the easiest way to improve your hair health. You can use this pack just once a month and you'll see the difference in the quality as well as the thickness of your hair. You can leave this mask for around 30 minutes and wash off with a mild shampoo. Try not to keep it for a long time because once it's dry, it becomes a bit hard to remove from the hair. You will notice an instant reduction in the amount of hair fall, reduces by around 90%.
If you're someone like me who's born and brought up in one of the countries in South Asia, you know how common it is over there to use warm oil massage for the scalp. So in order to have hair which is nice and soft and stays strong and healthy, you can use warm oil massage, and even if you keep it for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then wash it, it's more than sufficient. There are some people who like to keep oil overnight, and there are others who, when they keep the oil overnight, especially coconut oil, they tend to develop a cold. So depending upon your situation and how the oils affect you, you can either keep it for 1 hour and wash it off, or you can keep it overnight. Let me share with you an experience of a very close relative in my family. So I have an aunt in my family who's 70 plus. She has gorgeous hair, like really thick, gorgeous hair. So the other day I was speaking to my mom. So I told her, Mom, can you tell me what is the secret of this aunt of mine? How does she maintain her hair so very well? She doesn't use any chemical colors for coloring her hair. No colors, hair colors. She uses pure henna. And another thing which pleasantly surprised me was that my aunt combs her hair without fail 3 times a day. So if you're the one who's a busy mom or who's at work whole day, doing this like 3 times combing your hair sounds a bit difficult. So in order to make it easier for us and to give us similar results, try this technique and you are going to love it.
When you comb your hair from back to front, you will be enhancing the process of hair growth because this action brings more oxygen and nutrition to the hair follicles, which support hair growth and improve the scalp health. Your hair will become smoother and bouncy after you do this.
Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any of your own homemade hair packs that you've been using and which has resulted for you. So I really hope that these tips were helpful to you and you can incorporate them in your daily life. They are so easy to follow. They don't take much of your time, and the homemade pack is just once a month. You will see a tremendous difference in the hair quality and you will see reduction of hair fall for sure.